As an English learner, have you ever felt confused when someone tells you to live a little? This common idiom can be tricky to understand, but mastering it can greatly improve your communication skills. Let me share a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of live a little. My friend, who was new to English, thought it meant to actually start living as a small creature, like a mouse or a bird. So, one day, he decided to try living a little by building a nest in a tree and eating crumbs off the ground. Needless to say, it didn't end well. So, what does live a little really mean? This idiom is used to encourage someone to relax, have fun, or indulge in something they normally wouldn't. The exact origin of the phrase is unclear, but it gained popularity in the early 20th century. Particularly during the Roaring Twenties, a period known for its emphasis on pleasure and enjoyment. Let's see how live a little can be used correctly. My friend Sarah had been working non-stop for weeks, so I told her, "You've been so focused on your work. It's time to live a little and go out for a nice dinner with me." She agreed, and we had a wonderful evening enjoying good food and each other's company. She came back to work the next day feeling refreshed and re-energized. Here are some examples of how you can use live a little in different contexts. Casual conversation, "Come on, live a little and try the spicy chicken wings with me." Formal setting, "After completing this project, I think we all deserve to live a little and celebrate our hard work." Negative context, "With caution, don't be such a stick in the mud. Live a little and come out with us." Humorous context, "If you want to live a little, you should try skydiving with me this weekend." Literary context, the protagonist decided it was time to live a little and embark on a spontaneous adventure. Business setting, "We've been so focused on productivity, but it's important to live a little and take breaks to recharge." Social media usage, enjoying a night out with friends, living a little. To help you remember the meaning of live a little, think of a person letting loose and having fun, like dancing or trying a new activity. This visual image can serve as a helpful memory aid. Now, let's explore some fun facts about the idiom live a little. The idiom reflects the cultural value of work-life balance and the importance of taking breaks to recharge. Live a little can also be expressed with phrases like "let your hair down," which implies relaxing and having fun, or "seize the day," which focuses more on taking advantage of opportunities. The idiom has been used in popular culture, such as in the song "Live a Little" by country artist Kenny Chesney. Here are some related sayings that are similar or opposite to live a little. Similar, "seize the day," indulge yourself, let loose. Opposite, stay on track, be responsible, play it safe. Related, treat yourself, loosen up, have some fun. Let's try using live a little in a sentence. After a long week of work, I decided to live a little and go out for a night of dancing with my friends. Without the idiom, it would be, after a long week of work, I decided to go out for a night of dancing with my friends. I remember a time when my coworker, who was always so serious, finally decided to live a little. She had been working non-stop for months, so I invited her to join me for a weekend trip to the beach. At first, she was hesitant, but I convinced her to take a break and enjoy the sun and sand. By the end of the trip, she was laughing and relaxed, and it really showed in her work the following week. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when using the idiom live a little. Common mistake, adding bit to live a little. While live a little bit is understandable, the standard idiom is live a little. Meaning misunderstanding, thinking live a little means to actually start living as a small creature. like a mouse or a bird. Inappropriate context, using live a little when someone is in a serious situation, such as a funeral or a job interview. Let's test your understanding of the idiom live a little with these multiple choice questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom live a little? A. To start living as a small creature. B. To relax and have fun. C. To work harder. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to live a little? A. Stay on track. B. Seize the day. C. Be responsible. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to live a little? A. Indulge yourself. B. Play it safe. C. Loosen up. Correct answer, B. In summary, live a little is an idiom that encourages you to relax, have fun, and indulge in something you normally wouldn't. By understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom, you can improve your communication skills and connect with others more effectively. Now it's your turn. Share your experiences with using the idiom live a little in the comments below. Try incorporating it into a sentence and let me know how it went.
Go ahead, live a little and order something a little less predictable.
You should live a little and allow your taste buds to travel to places.
Live a little.
Live a little.